Digital Lifestyle here, back with another video, and here you're going to hear Brad Garlinghouse talk about XRP is like Swift. So let me get this started, and then I'm going to play you a video from a woman who's talking about ISO 222, the go live, when they expect it, SEPA, how that works, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, despite what's going on in the world, the financial wheels still churn. Anyway, let me get that up.
Ripple is like Swift, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, Ripple's starting point, kind of our first use case for the technology, the blockchain technology, and the digital asset XRP was to solve that cross-border payments problem.
Right.
Swift is quite antiquated, kind of designed 50 years ago. It's slow, it's expensive.
Yep, it's slow, it's expensive, and it's built around the war machine, unfortunately. Before I play you that video, I want to show you a tweet that this guy saying, Unusual Whales, here's every politician in Congress who is currently holding stock positions that directly benefit from war in the Middle East. I'm going to get that up because I think that's important for you guys to see yourselves. This is the tweet by Unusual Whales. It says, breaking, here's every politician in Congress who currently holds stock positions that directly benefit from the war in the Middle East. And you can see every single name here, and there's quite a few. And as I understand it, they're on both sides of the aisle. So, you know, you guys want to be careful over there, you know. There's quite a lot. And he says he's got a report coming soon. This came out on the 10th, and it had 6.8 million views. This is serious, guys, and it does make me wonder if everything that's happening is all planned by these people, you know. Now moving on to Swift and ISO. Moving on to the ISO 22 flexible, and this was by Crypto.iri, by the way, and it improves the level of the financial messaging, improves the level of details, data formats, security. This is by Stronghold Pay. Give a shout out. But anyway, let me play you the video because it's informative. It's 2 minutes long.
What exactly is ISO 20022? Well, it's a new global standard for financial messaging that is making waves in the industry. Basically, it helps financial institutions securely and efficiently exchange information with each other. It was created by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, an independent, non-governmental international group that sets international standards for things like quality and security management. If you ever sent a wire transfer, you maybe heard of another messaging standard called SWIFT. It's similar to 20022, but there are some key differences between the two, like the data format, level of detail, and security features. SWIFT uses its own format, while 20022 uses XML, which is more flexible and easier to integrate. Some central banks and financial regulators have already required the use of ISO 20022 for specific systems and applications. For example, the European Payments Council has set a deadline for 2025 for all SEPA payments to use 20022, while the Federal Reserve in the US is encouraging financial institutions to adopt it by 2023. So what does this mean for digital currencies? ISO 20022 has the potential to play a key role in the development and implementations of CBDCs, as it provides a flexible and standardized framework for financial messaging that ensures consistency and interoperability between systems. Adopting ISO 20022 could increase the use of cryptocurrencies that are compliant with it. Two cryptocurrencies that are members of the ISO 20022 standards body are Ripple's XRP and Stellar Lumens. Recognizing the value of ISO 20022 messaging and its potential to transform the financial industry, Stronghold has utilized this technology in conjunction with blockchain ledger payments in select projects. Messaging standards are crucial for enabling the efficient and secure exchange of financial information between different systems and technologies. They play a critical role in improving the overall performance and reliability of the financial services industry.
And what you got to understand here, they mentioned the two cryptocurrencies that are responsible for this, XRP and XLM. I have been talking about these two cryptocurrencies for a while now. I do hold both of these cryptocurrencies. I'm not going to tell you how much, that's my business. But realize what's taking place. Despite global problems, poverty, all these wars and all this kind of stuff that is taking place right now, right? there is a change afoot, and I think this comes out of the change. Once the wars and all that crap is over, we then see a new financial change. I don't know how long that's going to go on for, but we're seeing, they're giving orders here. Some country want it by 2024, 25. Some want it now, 2023, November. November's just around the corner, remember. So this could be a catalyst for the cryptocurrency market. It could make those particular coins, in particular XRP and XLM, rise in significant value. I am not giving financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out there and buy it right now. What I'm trying to say to you is this is happening, and it's up to you whether you jump on board or not. Not financial advice. Anyway, let me go and find you the other one that this lady talks about, the crypto winter. I'll explain more. Basically, they're talking about the crypto winter, the cycles that happen, and this is a natural cycle. This happens on the planet anyway, by the way. We go through cycles: autumn, winter, summer, spring, whatever. Yeah, and it's the same with the financial markets. They have their winter, they have their bathtops, and they come back down. A 4-year period goes along. I think you could mirror the 4 seasons within the financial markets if you look at it from that perspective. Anyway, let me play you what she's going to say.
In the past, and also like economical crisis. So how do we compare this one to the previous ones, and what can we learn from past crises and from this one?
I think the positive thing is that we know it's a cycle, and so we know after the winter comes the spring, which is nice. By now we also know that there's like a similar price development, though depending on which cycle, also on a different orders of magnitude. We see similar behaviors. We see what is, for instance, very typical, that if you have a crypto winter, good news tend to be ignored.
In the past, and also like economical crisis. So how do we compare this one to the previous ones, and what